This particular piece is the Carrie wig, and I'll show you what it all came with. Look at how pretty she is. She's long and gorgeous. She's got a lace front here that I'm gonna have to trim down, but you can see like the colors, all of that, so pretty. I'm gonna go put her on. They actually were nice enough to send me this wig grip with it, so I'm gonna put all of this on. Okay, I am back, and honestly, I'm in love with this wig. Look at how pretty she is. It's synthetic, so it's so light, but like the length on it, and I don't even have words how excited I am about this. She's gorgeous. She's so long. I actually may have to wear her to work tomorrow. And she's got like layers in, some bang. And the nice thing with synthetics is just like, if you want to play around with the part or anything, you just spray a little water on it and just play with them. But it is safe to say that this wig might just be my new obsession. Oh, I just love this color. So thank you so much, UniWigs. I'm obsessed with this beautiful, beautiful princess of the wig, Carrie. So if you guys are interested, check out UniWigs. But thank you, I love this so much.